Hello, children. Are you enjoying yourself and the stories you hear? If yes, do subscribe to our channel so that you can keep getting these wonderful stories. Today, we have Roxy the rabbit with us. Hello, Roxy.
Hello everyone.
What happened, Roxy? Why are you so sad?
Ashi, I wanted to find a treasure chest. If I found a treasure, it would be so good.
What will you do with treasure, Roxy?
I would be able to enjoy myself.
Why don't we listen to a story about a precious treasure today? The story will show you a secret in which anyone, including you, can find a treasure. Will you like that?
Yes.
Today's story is called The Precious Treasure. I don't see any treasure chest here. Possibly these boys are also looking for it. Let's see if they find it. Long back, an old man lived in a village along with his 4 sons. All the sons were idlers and lazy. You see here, they are only playing or sleeping or roaming around. And the poor old man, he had to work hard in the field all day long. What are idlers, do you know? Idlers are those who do not do anything worthwhile. They are lazy and they never worked hard. And that's why this old man, he had to do all the hard work in the sun. After some time, the old man realized that he was getting too old to work in the fields, and there will be a time when he can no longer move out of the house. See, a person is checking his wrist. Possibly he is very sick and he is unwell. So, he called all his sons to him and said, "Children, now I am very unwell. I may not be around with you always." Hearing that, the 4 sons got shocked. The eldest one said, "If you die, what would happen to us? We don't know how to work," because they never worked in the fields. They were always just passing time. And so the old man told them, "I have buried a treasure for all of you in the field, and after my death, you 4 can dig it out." So this way, old man had a plan. He decided to teach his 4 sons a lesson. After some time, the old man died and the sons performed the last rites of their father. The father was not around with them anymore. And now the sons needed the treasure badly for their survival, and hence they went to the field. All the sons in the search of the treasure started digging the field. See, they are digging the field greedily, longing for the treasure. They digged it all over very deep, but there was no treasure. And everybody was disappointed and sad. The dejected sons decided finally, now that we have dug up the field so deep, it's better that we sow some seeds of grains in the field. At least we'll get something for our labor, for the time we spent here and the effort we did. And so, because of the seeds that they sowed, after a timely rain, they got a rich crop in the field. See, beautiful green crop they have. And they cut it up and they sold it in the market. And by selling the crop, they earned a big amount of money. And they were so happy to see the fruits of their efforts. And that is when they realized that their hard work was the real treasure. It doesn't go unrewarded. It always pays to work hard. The eldest son said, "Father had rightly said that the treasure was buried in the field." So children, we should always work hard to reach our goals. And with this learning, we say goodbye. We will meet you again soon. Ta-ta.